Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This can often be caused by worn blades or a faulty motor. Ignoring this issue can lead to more significant damage, resulting in costly repairs down the line. Therefore, it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a replacement blade set, and possibly some pliers. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any accidents while working on it. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the base screws, ensuring you keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off, taking care not to damage any connectors or cables underneath. Now, listen closely as we identify the problem. The grinding noise typically originates from the blades, which may have become misaligned or damaged. To locate the faulty component, inspect the blades closely. A visual check can often reveal cracks or signs of wear. Once you've pinpointed the issue, it's time to extract the blades. Using your pliers, carefully grip the base of the blades and twist gently while pulling upwards. Be cautious here, as excessive force can damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the faulty blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Align the replacement blades into the socket, ensuring they sit securely. Next, replace the base and reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not overly so as to avoid stripping them. Once everything is back in place, plug your Thermomix back in and run a short test cycle to ensure the grinding noise has been resolved. If it still persists, you may need to check other components or seek professional help. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean your blades and check for any signs of wear. Additionally, avoid overloading your Thermomix, as this can strain the motor and lead to premature wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.